welcome to the unboxing of the Winble back case for Redmi Note 10 Pro. So this is what the box looks like. It's a very simple box. I'm just going to open it and show you what the back case looks like. Okay, so this is what you get inside the box. This is the back case, a black colored back case for the Redmi Note 10 Pro. The interior of this particular back case, if you notice, you will see this fabric covering. It looks like velvet. It's not, but it's a protective layer. This will protect the backside of the smartphone from getting scratches or even breaking. This over here, this cutout is basically for the quad camera module. So the Redmi Note 10 Pro has a quad camera module with the primary sensor being a 108 megapixel sensor. And what else do we have? This is the cutout for the fingerprint sensor, the side mounted fingerprint sensor, and there are some cutouts for the 3.5mm jack and other jacks, and the speaker and other jacks as well. And this is for the charger. And this is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Winble back case for Redmi Note 10 Pro. Thank you for watching.